Yeah, the best show in the Northwest.
That's right.
Is this the Northwest, Mom?
Yes. Look at those.
Yeah, the best show in the Northwest. This is the best show.
Yeah.
Are they in Northwest?
By far. Yeah.
Are they in Northwest?
Yeah. Hey.
Whoa.
What?
What just dropped in the lake?
You just went over the edge? It's alright.
Around there.
Huh? Well, honey, there's nothing you can do about it. We're not going to get it now. Here we go. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Ronan! Woohoo! That's awesome. That is cool. That is cool. Well, they're gonna go for a while, honey. Barely
Wow! Red, wait, Ronan, look at my bracelet. Look, red, white, freaking blue. Oh, no, no.
Oh, Ronan!
Wait, watch, it's like, that everybody. Now's the time for this. I'm asleep.
Holy cow!
Die. I just took it after 16. Crack, 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 crack. He would be crack, 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 crack.
Ronan!
He would be dead. Wait, watch. I would have been with fireworks.
Uh-oh.
Wait, crack.
Oh, shit.
That's dangerous. Dad would be like, ooh, look at it, firecrackers. Oh, a dead body.
Ronan!
It exploded on the deck. Wait, I'm gonna make the firework. Goodbye, everybody. I'm gonna leave now. Pop. It's like goodbye, everybody. I lived a good life. But I have to go now, so bye. Goodbye. Freaking bye. I want chocolate. What freaking shot? I want freaking chocolate. Oh, paradise. Oh, fall. Oh my God, I really have Mom, can we go take a walk on the dock?
No.
No. That's safe. What if one explodes on the deck? Confront Charles and be like, big! Kill somebody! Should I kill? say, where's my purple and green? Where's my purple and green? There must be more. I mean, come on. You didn't even do a good grand job. Where's more of that crap? Whoa, okay. Are you all done?
I don't know, bud. Might be the finale.
It just might be the finale already.
I don't know. We gotta wait and see.
Is it over?
I don't know what they're doing. Get out of the way.
Yeah!
Woo! Yeah! Woo! There we go. Woo! Do we have a fire?
Freaking dynamite! Freaking dynamite! Is that the grand finale or something? No, they're not done.
They're not done.
My God, it's still kind of small. That's not it, right? It's because I'm really sorry.
No way.
Woohoo! Are y'all done? Andy!
Andy! Here we go, Ronan, right here.